Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I am Afifa and I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified course, lesson number 31. Today I will discuss attached and detached prepositions and go over some examples from the Quran. The topic of prepositions I started from lesson number 29. There are playlists with titles Quranic Arabic Simplified or Madinah Arabic Shortened, so you can search using these keywords for any lessons that you have missed. Let us now begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now let's do a quick review of nominal sentences with prepositions. We have covered nominal sentences in previous lessons. So let's take an example here. The sentence is Muhammad is in the mosque. In Arabic, you would say Muhammadun fil masjidi. So we observe here that Muhammadun is the mubtada or the subject of the sentence, and fil masjidi is the khabar, and it is a prepositional phrase. So the predicate here, the khabar here, is a prepositional phrase beginning with a harfu jar, beginning with the preposition fi here. So fi here is called harfu jar, and masjidi is ismun majrurun. So we say it is jarun wa majrurun, and this kind of a prepositional phrase in Arabic is called shibhu jumlati, which is the khabar here. Another sentence, it is on a table. In Arabic, we say, huwa ala maktabi. So here, huwa, which is it, is the mubtada, the subject of the sentence. And what is the khabar? The khabar is again a prepositional phrase. It is the predicate, beginning with the preposition ala, right? So ala is the preposition to mean on, and we say it is harfu jar. And maktabi is ismun majrurun, and we say it is jarun wa majrurun shibhu jumla khabar. It is a phrase. The predicate is a phrase here. Now let's do a quick review of detached pronouns and attached pronouns that we have covered in prior lessons. So right here is the column for the detached pronouns, and on this side is the column for the attached pronouns. So let's go over them again together. So huwa is in its detached form becomes hu in its attached form. Huma is huma for the duals. Hum is hum remains the same in its attached form. Hiya is ha. Huma is huma. Hunna remains hunna. Anta is ka. Antuma is kuma. Antum is kum. Anti is ki. Antuma is kuma. Antunna is kunna. Ana becomes ya. It's called ya mutakallam, where it is the ya of the first person, like when I am speaking with the I pronoun. Nahnu is na. So again, this has been covered in detail in prior lessons. So the detached pronouns in Arabic, they are called damirun munfasilun, right? They're always definite, they are fixed, and they're always nominative. Marfu'un. Damirun muttasilun means attached pronoun. They're always definite also. They are fixed. We said earlier that pronouns are always fixed, though they could be majrur, genitive, or mansub. Okay, and we will see that the pronouns can be attached to a noun, to a verb, or a particle. So we are studying prepositions now. So let's now attach a pronoun to a preposition. Okay, so we've studied the preposition min before, to mean from. So let's now attach the pronoun anta to min. So as I said before, anta becomes ka in its attached form. So it becomes min ka. right? Minka. Now, if you want to attach the ya mutakallam, which is me, when you attach it to the min, it becomes minni, where the noon is doubled to make it minni. So over here, let's ask a question. Hal is used to ask a question. Hal al-kitabu minka? It means, is the book from you, right? Minka. Now let's quickly attach the preposition min to a few detached pronouns. So if you attach min to huwa, it is minhu, from him. Attach min to whom, it becomes minhum, from them, masculine. If you attach min to anta, it becomes minka, from you, masculine. If you attach min to antum, it becomes minkum, from you all, again masculine. And then if you attach min to ana, we've done this before, it becomes minni, from me, where we said the noon is doubled. Now min with nahnu is minna, from us. Minna means from us. So here is a chart of the preposition min attached to pronouns. Please take a minute and practice this aloud so your tongue becomes familiar to pronouncing these. Minni, minna, minka, minki, minkum, minkunna, minhu, minhum, minha, and minhunna. Now let's quickly take the grammatical rule when prepositions are attached to pronouns. In this example, minhu or in minhum, the who and the whom are attached pronouns. They are damirun muttasilun, and grammatically they are ismun majrurun, right? So though they are fixed in shape, they are still ismun majrurun. They are in the genitive position, right? And we say when it is the for minhu and minhum, we say it is jarun wa majrurun. Similarly, min Muhammadin, from Muhammad. So this phrase here is jarun wa majrurun. So an attached pronoun, damirun muttasilun, when attached to a harfu jar, which is a preposition, is always ismun majrurun. It is in the genitive case. Now let's practice attaching preposition be to pronouns. Now the preposition be I have covered in prior lessons. It can mean in, by, with, etc. depending on the context of the sentence. So be with the detached pronoun huwa becomes bihi. Here we observe that the dhamma on the hu becomes a kasra on the he. And this is for ease of pronunciation so that it is easy on the tongue. It is difficult to say bihu. It is easier to say bihi. And that is the reason for the change, because pronouns are fixed in shape. But here it changed just to make it easy on the tongue. So similarly, be plus whom becomes be him. Okay. Be plus anta is bika. Be plus antum is bikum. It means with you all, masculine. Be plus ana is be, with me. Be plus nahnu is bina, with us, right? So let's make this observation, similar observation with the other prepositions. So like be, fi, ila, and ala, all of them, when they're attached to these pronouns, which are hunna, hum, huma, and hu, we will see that they give a kasra to the first letter of the pronoun. And this is again for ease of pronunciation. So now let's keep practicing with the preposition ila and let's attach it to the detached pronouns. Ila means to or towards. So ila plus huwa becomes ilayhi, towards him, masculine. So again, we notice that the dhamma on the huwa took a kasra on the he for ease of pronunciation. Ilayhi. Ila plus hum is ilayhim, towards them, masculine, them. Ila plus anta is ilayka, towards you, masculine. Ila plus antum is ilaykum, towards you, masculine. Ila plus ana is ilayya, right, towards me. Notice how that the ya has doubled here, right? Ilayya, it means towards me. Ila plus nahnu is ilayna, towards us. Now let's continue our discussion with the preposition ala, which means on. So you attach it to the pronoun huwa and it becomes alayhi, on him. Again, we observe that the dhamma on the hu becomes a kasra on the he. The next one is alayhim, on them, masculine. The next one, alayka, on you, masculine. Alaykum, on you all, right? We say assalamu alaykum, on you all. Kum is masculine. And alayya is on me. Again, because another ya mutakallam has been added, so the ya doubles up, right? And then the last one is alayna, which means on us. So the next one that we're going to practice is fi, which means in. We're going to attach it to the detached pronouns. So fi plus huwa becomes fihi. Again, the dhamma on the hu takes a kasra, right? So fihi means in him, masculine. The next one is fi plus hum. It becomes fihim, in them, masculine. The next one is fi plus anta, which is fika, in you, masculine. The next one is fi plus antum, which is fikum, in you all, masculine. And fi plus ana, talking about myself, fiya, in me, right? The ya has been doubled. And finally, fi plus nahnu is fina, in us. Now let's practice with the preposition an, which generally means about. So an plus huwa is anhu. It means about him, masculine. We normally say radiyallahu anhu. May Allah be pleased about him. An plus hum is anhum, about them. An plus anta is anka, about you, masculine. An plus antum is ankum, about you all, masculine. And an plus ana is anni, right, about me. And finally, an plus nahnu is anna, about us. So this chart is a nice chart from Madinah Arabic for you to review on your own. We've already covered this. So this is how the prepositions an and ila attach to pronouns, and you can review this on your own. And we note here that the alif maksura at the end of ila, it changes to a ya when it is followed by the attached pronoun. So ilayhi, here ilayhima, we see that this is a ya with a dot, right? And here in ila, it was an alif maksura with no dots. Okay, and we already talked about how we notice the change of the pronoun hu to he for the attached pronoun for ala. And we also talked about here ilayya, where the ya was double, right? When the ya mutakallam was added, it became ilayya. So now please pause this video and try to practice finding the preposition in this verse right here. Tell me please whether it is a detached or an attached preposition. Okay, so now let's do it together. The verse is فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. There will neither be any fear on them, nor will they grieve. So the preposition here is ala, which means on. And it is an attached preposition to the pronoun them, alayhim. And we observe that here it has a kasra, but here the hum has the dhamma. So hum here is detached, and here alayhim, it is the attached pronoun, right? That's why it took the kasra for ease of pronunciation. So I hope in this verse you're able to observe that the preposition be came 3 times. Bihi, and each time it is attached, right? Each time it is attached to the pronoun who, right? And it is took a kasra on the who. It is bihi, bihi, and bihi, right? So I hope you were able to find that preposition in this verse. So please take a minute and try to find the prepositions in these 2 verses shown here. Okay, so on the first one it is حُرِّمَتْ عَلَيْكُمْ أُمَّهَاتُكُمْ. Forbidden to you for marriage are your mothers. So here we see the preposition is ala, right? And it is attached to the pronoun kum. Okay, and that's why the alif maksura, as we talked about, changed to a ya because it was an attached form. And the next one is pretty straightforward. The preposition is an ka, right? About you or of you. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshaAllah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.